I'm Santina from WTI. Have you tried bamboo sheets? I recently got these from Viscose Derived and I love them. First of all, they're incredibly soft. When I bought them, I wasn't sure if I would like bamboo, but these are so comfortable. I tend to run a little hot or cold at night, but with these sheets, I've personally found I'm sleeping better and I feel like my temperature is more regulated. Of course, I love the feel on my skin. They're very soft. And one thing I really like is the fitted sheet is deep enough to fit the corners of my bed. I love the pillowcases too. The extra fabric fits over the end of the pillow so you don't have tags hanging out or your pillow showing on the end. Overall, these have been great for my husband and I. The dark gray color works really well for our decor and it goes with our comforter, and I'm very happy with them. And that's my point of view.